Okay, college algebra. Hey, this is the review we have for our upcoming quiz. I will work each problem separately and upload it as a video so you can take a look at. So let's take a look at problem number 1. This is factoring. So let's take a look at the first problem, 1A. One of the skills of factoring, to look at something and recognize what it is. So in this case, we should be able to recognize these are the difference of squares. So I got two terms that are perfect squares. So if I take the square root of the first term, which is 36x squared, so the square root is going to be 6x. The square root of this is 5y, so it's minus 5y. So according to our formula of difference of squares, this factor is 6x minus 5y, 6x plus 5y. Okay? Because the difference of squares, remember that formula, a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b, a plus b. Next one, I look at it, it's not difference of squares because everything is not a perfect square. The number and my exponents are not even exponents. But I can look at this one, and this is going to be greatest common factor. What do they have in common? 42, that's 2 times 21. So 21 will be my greatest common factor. So if I factor this, that will be 21. If I look at my x's, I have in common, I have one x term across both terms. And you look at the y's, the common is y squared. Now I just backtrack. What must you multiply 21 by to get a 42? That's a 2. What must you multiply x by to get an x squared? That's x. What do you multiply y squared by to get y to the 4th? That's y squared. And then minus, what do you multiply 21 to get a 21? That's 1. What do you multiply x by to get an x? That's 1. What do you multiply y squared by to get y squared? That's 1 as well. So it's 21xy squared times 2xy squared minus 1. You can always check your answer by multiplying this back out, and you should get the original problem. If I look at the next one, this is factoring a trinomial where the coefficient of x squared is 1. So our method for that has always been to find two numbers that multiply to give you a negative 28 and add to give you a negative 3. So this just comes down to what are the factors of 28? That's 1 and 28, 2 and 14, 4 and 7, and I think that's it. So the only way to combine those numbers to get a negative 3 is when you have a negative 7 and a positive 4. Those numbers add to negative 28, excuse me, multiply to negative 28 and adds to negative 3. So my answer is x plus 4, x minus 7. You can check your answer by FOIL and putting that all back together. So that's problem 1.